I am so lucky, man. These came loose. Sorry, I'm shaking. I'm really excited. I guess when I took the parking brake shoes out, because they were rubbing and grinding, I should have secured these or taken these out because one fell out and it had itself wedged right down in here. So that was causing my squealing sound, and that was what was rattling around inside. So I'm gonna take the other side apart, get these pieces out, so that way I ain't gotta worry about it, and we should be a-okay here. So if you do take the parking brake shoes out because of a grinding, secure these or take them out, because they will fall out and they will rattle around and you will lose your mind.